Hi friends, for math today we're on lesson 2-4, facts with 5 on a 10 frame. I can use a 10 frame to help solve addition facts with 5 and 10. Okay? You will need a pencil and your counters for this lesson. Go ahead and grab your materials. You can pause this video until you have them. All right, we are on page 97 in our math books. Let's take a look at the problem above. Put some counters on the bottom row of the 10 frame. What addition equation can you write to match the counters? Okay, we know that the top row is filled on the 10 frame, which means I know that I have 5 counters there. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay, our job is to grab some counters. I'm going to grab 3. 1, 2, 3, and put them on the bottom row. Okay, let's write our equation down. So I know that the top row was filled on the 10 frame, which means I have 5. Going to put that addend down. I don't need to count that. And the next addend is however many I have on the bottom row. 1, 2, 3. What does 5 plus 3 equal? Okay, one way to do that is count your counters. We don't need to count the first row because we already know since it's filled there's 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. The sum is 8. Okay, all right. Let's move to the next page. On page 98. Let's take a look at the top here. You can use a 10 frame to show an addition fact with 5. Start with 5, then add 3 more. 5 plus 3 more equals 8. Now, the 10 frame shows another addition fact. You have 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can make 10. The 2 boxes are empty. Here's one empty box, and here's another empty box. So 8 and 2 more will give you 10. The complete 10 frame. Okay, let's practice doing that here on the bottom. Look at the 10 frames. Write an addition fact with 5. Then write an addition fact for 10. Okay, let's take a look at the addition fact with 5 first. 5 plus 2 more equals 7. Okay, let's double check. 5, 6, 7. Okay, you are going to use the sum from the first equation as the addend for the next equation. Now, we need to make 10. So the other addend, that missing addend, is however many missing counters we need to complete our 10 frame. Let's see how many we need. 1, 2, 3. I'm missing 3 addends to have a full 10 frame. So that means 7 plus 3 more will give me the sum of 10. Let's practice that again. Let's do the fact with 5 first. I've got a full row on my 10 frame, which means 5, and I have 1 more here. So 1 is my next addend. Okay, 5 plus 1 equals, let's count, 5, 6. So 6 is the sum for 5 plus 1. Now remember, you're going to take the sum of the first equation, which is 6, and use that for the first addend. Now we want to make 10. I have 6 counters already on my 10 frame. How many more counters do I need to have a full 10 frame to make 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am missing 4 counters, which means 4 is my other addend, the other part. 6 and 4 more will give me 10. And I know that because my 10 frame is full. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's take a look at the next page, page 99. You will practice doing that on this page. Look at the 10 frame, write an addition fact with 5 first, and then you're going to write an addition fact for 10. Okay? So remember, you're going to figure out how many counters are on the bottom row of the 10 frame. I know that there's 5 on top and 3 more. That's my other addend. You can solve that. And then the sum of this equation is going to be the first addend of this equation. And then solve to see how many missing counters there are to make 10. Okay? Go ahead and try to do that for numbers 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Can't wait to see your work.